ideas. They are here, they are free, and they can save you hours every single week. Today, I'll share 5 completely free AI tools that can transform your productivity. If you're a student, a creator, or someone who just wants to work smarter, not harder, this video is for you. Stay until the very end, because tool number 5 is a hidden gem. Most people don't even know it exists. Let's get started. First on the list, ChatGPT by OpenAI. Yes, even the free version is powerful enough to completely change how you work. Think of it as your personal assistant. You can ask it to draft emails, summarize research, brainstorm ideas, or even write full scripts. For example, imagine you're a student. You can paste in your homework question, and ChatGPT will not only give you the answer, it will also explain step by step how it works. That's like having a private tutor, available 24 hours a day, for free. Or maybe you're a content creator. You can ask ChatGPT to generate 10 title ideas for your next YouTube video. It can even give you an outline of what to say. That saves hours of brainstorming. And if you work in business, you can tell ChatGPT, write a professional email to a client, politely declining an offer. The response is clean, polite, and ready to send. No more wasting time overthinking what to write. I personally use ChatGPT to summarize a 10-page research paper into 3 key takeaways. That saved me an entire afternoon. And remember, this is all free. Go to chat.openai.com, sign up, and you're ready to go. Before we move on, let me know in the comments, have you ever tried ChatGPT? If yes, what was the most useful thing it did for you? Next is Google Gemini, the evolution of Google Bard. Gemini shines when you want creative answers connected to the internet. It's fast, smart, and very good at organizing information. For example, if you're planning a trip, you can ask, create a 3-day itinerary in Paris, including food, culture, and hidden gems. Gemini will give you a full schedule, complete with recommendations. No need to spend hours researching blogs or websites. If you're doing research for school or work, Gemini can create structured outlines. Imagine you need information about climate change policies in Europe. Gemini will provide a list of key points, plus links to official sources. I often use Gemini when I want quick inspiration for video scripts. It feels like brainstorming with a partner that has access to the entire web. So, ChatGPT is amazing for writing and creativity, but Gemini is perfect when you want answers connected directly to the internet. Again, this is completely free. All you need is a Google account. Quick question for you. Which one do you prefer so far? ChatGPT or Gemini? Comment below. I'd love to know. Number 3 is Canva free with its new AI features. Most people know Canva for creating designs, but in 2025, Canva has added AI tools that make it 10 times more powerful. You can generate images from text just by typing a description. For example, a futuristic city skyline glowing in neon purple. In seconds, Canva gives you professional artwork. Need to design a YouTube thumbnail? Instead of starting from scratch, you can type in your idea, and Canva will create multiple designs you can edit instantly. One of my favorite features is background removal. Upload any image, click once, and the background disappears. This saves creators hours of editing. You can also use Canva AI to write text for posters, slides, or social media. It's like having a built-in copywriter. And remember, most of these features are available in the free plan. If you're a student making presentations, an entrepreneur designing posts, or a YouTuber like me creating thumbnails, Canva free is a lifesaver. Let me know in the comments, do you already use Canva, or is this new for you? Tool number 4 is Microsoft Designer, and this one feels like something from the future. Designer works with simple prompts. You describe what you want, and it creates professional visuals for you. For example, I typed, a futuristic tech banner with neon blue and purple, glowing lines, and abstract circuits. In seconds, Designer gave me 4 options. Each one looked like it was made by a professional designer. If you want to create posters, logos, or even YouTube channel art, this tool saves you money and time. No need to pay need to hire a designer. I personally tested it when I was updating the TREMP channel visuals. The results were clean, modern, and ready to use. The best part? It's completely free. All you need is a Microsoft account. Imagine the time saved. Instead of hours in Photoshop, you type a single sentence, and it's done. And finally, tool number 5, Pictory AI. This is my hidden gem. Pictory allows you to create videos automatically from text. Yes, you heard that right. You paste in a script, a blog post, or even a short paragraph, and Pictory turns it into a video. It adds stock footage that matches your text. It generates captions. It even includes background music. For people who don't want to show their face on camera, this is perfect. You can still produce professional videos without filming yourself. For example, I pasted a short article about productivity. In less than 10 minutes, I had a polished video with images, captions, and music, ready to upload. Even with the free plan, you can create short clips that look like they were made by an editor. So whether you're a student making a class project, a business owner making a promo video, or a YouTuber testing new content, Pictory AI saves you hours. And like I promised, most people don't even know it exists. So let's recap. Here are the 5 free AI tools that will save you hours in 2025. ChatGPT, Google Gemini, Canva free with AI, Microsoft Designer, and Pictory AI. These tools are not here to replace us. They are here to help us work faster, be more creative, and stay ahead in this digital age. Now I want to hear from you. Which of these tools will you try first? Comment below and share your thoughts. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to TREMP, and turn on notifications. We post every week, bringing you the best free AI hacks, tech tools, and productivity tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.